Hey there! Welcome to this exciting tutorial on how to supercharge your Apple CarPlay experience with Facebook Messenger. Buckle up, because staying connected while on the road has never been this seamless and safe. Let's dive right in. Now, as you may know, Facebook Messenger isn't readily available on CarPlay, and that's for good reason. Safety first. But fear not, because we've got the ultimate solution for you, the incredible WheelPal app. This nifty third-party app is specifically designed to effortlessly integrate Facebook Messenger with your Apple CarPlay, making sure you're connected without compromising safety. Ready to get started? Head on over to our website or use the link provided to download the WheelPal app. It's your ticket to a whole new level of connectivity on the road. Once you've got WheelPal up and running, adding Messenger to your CarPlay interface is an absolute breeze. It's a straightforward process that ensures a seamless connection, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. And guess what? The fun doesn't stop there. You can use this same method to install other awesome apps like YouTube, Netflix, VLC, and a bunch of other communication apps. The possibilities are endless, my friends. No matter which iOS version you're rocking, from iOS 14 to the latest release, we've got a solution tailored just for you. Now, if you're looking to take your CarPlay experience to the next level, consider some awesome hardware options like the CarLinkit Wireless CarPlay AI Box or the Wireless CarPlay Adapter by Accord. These bad boys can seriously enhance your CarPlay game. Thanks a ton for hanging out with us in this tutorial. Remember, safety always comes first when using apps on CarPlay. For more amazing tech solutions, head over to our website at carplayhacks.com. Stay safe and enjoy the ride.
Thank you for watching CarPlay Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.